See you when we come back, okay? Louis, don't worry. We'll get you in 10 days time, okay?
And we will also buy you a
Listen to him, guys.
And we will also give you a present.
Yeah, we'll bring you a present too, okay? Okay?
It's okay.
Love you, boy.
I'm going.
That's where Louis is gonna be, guys.
Buddy, little buddy.
Hotel.
Go, boy.
A few moments later.
Hi, guys. Finally. Where is Daddy going?
To the airport.
We're going to where it all began. Isn't that right, Daddy?
Yes.
Can I say? We're going to Melbourne.
Tingnan nyo ang kanilang pa-aura sa airport, guys. So,
At the
ayan, very
birthplace.
warm na. At itong isa, napaka-warm din yun. Nakabini pa siya. Hi lang lang. Hey, hey. Where are you going?
Daddy, I'm the only one over here.
Where?
To Apple.
The airport. Where are you going?
I just wanted to be on this side. If I was on that side, I would be able to win.
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo. Oh, warm na warm yan siya, guys. Oh. Singlet yan sa loob. Puffer jacket. Kami ni Daddy Mike ay nakaganito lang. Yeah, sorry.
Mama,
And
why
then,
are you wearing your
mga
makeup?
jacket namin. Here's our bags. That is taking the check-in luggages inside, guys, kasi nag-check-in si Daddy online. So, ito na lang yung maiiwan sa amin, yung hand carry. Hey, move here, ate! Move here, please. Dito kami sa cafe. Bibili muna kami ng kape kasi hindi pa kami nag-agahan, guys. And it's already 9:50. Mamaya pa naman yung boarding time namin, guys. 11 pa, to be honest. But yeah, minabuti namin maaga dito para...
Nearly 10.
Yeah, ano. Makakain. Anak, that's the hours. Oh my God. Taka, rakagbit-biyawi. That's old. I'll go. Mama will buy one, okay? Mama will buy one.
And can you also buy me a book?
No, it's inside, anak. Not here.
I know when we get inside.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, can you sit here? Mama will
Luckily, I
have...
bring some coloring.
Yeah, Mama will get some drinks, okay? Lini, wanna come with Mama? Come.
I'll stay here. Okay.
You got hot chocolate for Lini. And it's for ooh, I don't know, oat latte. Oh, anak, I think that is. Oh, this is for Daddy. This is oat latte too. Tinignan ko pala ang sa loob, chocolate man. Here you go. This is what yours, anak. Inom pa siya yung Papa. Careful ha, because it's hot. And then we've got some, 2 slices of raisin toast, guys, with butter. And uy, that's not yours, lagi. It's dirty. You got there. Have some. Anak, have a look na po. It's on your
Mama, that's
jugger
so
now. Okay, I'll put butter, okay? Finish the other one lang. Naiinitan na kami sa suot namin, guys, kasi yung pa-aura namin is from meron na kaming mga thermal sa loob. And you know, Brisbane, very sunny, as you can see. Yeah. Really yummy. It is really hot.
Yay! I can shop.
Careful, because it's really, really hot, honey. Nasa gate na kami, guys. We're just waiting for our boarding time, which is 11:15. Yeah. And then, yeah, ito lang yung aming pa-outfit tour. Ito yung aming airport fit check. Very comfortable. Very warm.
cigarettes is not permitted on board.
Guys, after nearly 3 years, we are back in Melbourne. Welcome back to Melbourne, girls. It's where you were born.
I was born in South Melbourne.
Yes. And Celine was born in Clayton. Oh, I think this one is not working, anak. So after 2 hours and 5 minutes na flight, guys. Andito na kami sa Melbourne ngayon. It's not working. So keep going. Keep going. Akala ko mas matagal pa rin, guys. Pabilis lang pala. 2 oras lang. And nandito na kami kaagad. And you know what? It is sunny in Melbourne. I'm so happy kasi I expected the worst. Akala ko talaga na pagkababa namin ay maginaw ng maginaw talaga. But, it's 15 degrees. However, sunny siya, guys. Kaya hindi siya masyadong maginaw. At yung hangin, hindi siya freezing ba. We are just claiming our luggages now. At itong ating bunso ay napakahirap ipalakad, guys. Gusto niyang magpakarga all the time. Celine, kayo mo. Naong mo na ko. Tambuki ko na kay kagbaklay. Just in time. Finally. Hindi ko na kami sa taxi, guys. Yeah. Social naman bagong-bago itong sasakyan ko, guys. Taxi. Automatic eh. Oh, yeah, my love. Mama's gonna put hers, actually. Jumping. Whoa! Okay. Oh. Ben, it's rubbish. On we go. Move, lane. Over the top. Stay there on the side, please. Okay.
Maybe reception, yes. Check you in. Bags up to you. No worries.
Oh. Go follow daddy. Is there a car in here? Whoa. Keep walking, Nini.
Keep walking.
We're gonna take for the kids. Say thank you. Cute house. Ano na, anak? What's lang? What's inside lang? Maybe coloring something.
It is.
Sana. Finally, makarelax tayo. We'll find somewhere to eat later on for dinner. Huh? What's that? What's that? What's that? Go, 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 go! Karen! Go! Jeez! How are you, Mom? Cool. Oh, so good to see you. Lola, what's that? How are you? Oh, I love your hair. Yeah, it's you.
This is us.
I'm guessing it's probably the same.
Where's the light? Oh, there.
Let there be light.
Wait,
Is that the one?
wait,
That's for the toilet, Bubba.
wait. The part for the toilet.
Oh, what's in there?
Pretty much the same.
Very same.
Yeah, except my beds are pulled together. I've got 2 single beds pulled together.
Yeah.
What is that?
You've probably got a better view, even though I'm up.
You want?
Mom,
What's the other one got?
Do you want one of ours?
No,
So you can get up on this lift.
Is that?
I should be able to.
What
It's
is
not
that,
as texture.
Mom?
I've got an actual
There's actually
settee.
living.
Yeah.
Fine. I'm gonna
Yeah,
jump.
nice.
Now let me
Yours
jump.
is probably
Leave me. I'm gonna
a little bit
Oh,
bigger than mine,
Yeah.
but not a lot bigger. That would have cost you money.
For 11 lights. 600.
God, it's like getting a...
I know, it's like a human.
Is it a good one?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, I got something for you, Mom.
Oh my goodness.
If you wore, see if you will wear it. But I thought like, oh yeah, this will
Oh nice.
fit Mom. And it's very like nice, like, you know, cozy like material. So
This is lovely and soft.
He's not an outfit.
Lovely. Thank you, Jackie. That's really nice.
Mom, I
Yeah.
hope you like it.
Very smart. Is that Tom Brown? Is that their little signature?
Yeah, that's the sign.
Goes well with my jeans.
Yes, yeah, definitely. Yeah, blue.
A few moments later.
We are going out, guys. So magdi-dinner kami kasama yung mama ni Daddy Mike. So Daddy Mike change his clothes. Ako, guys, ito pa rin yung aking pa-outfit kasi I can't be bothered. I'm changing clothes. Okay lang din naman. Ayan. Yung mga kids the same. Lagyan ko si Ate Paris ng kanyang scarf. Kasi it's going to be really cold later kapag na ano. At ito ay payak-payak. Uy, good mo.
No, what are you doing it all?
No, it's... Ate didn't drink it. She just found it on the side there. Oh. Isn't that right, Ate?
I want to drink it.
I'm just gonna change my bag. So, di ba nagdala ako ng few handbags?
I want to drink
So, yung isa, ayan, pang airport and travel.
it.
Well, go, lagi, get one. Come on, let's go out because Lola Karen is waiting downstairs. Welcome to Albert Park.
Albert Park's actually really nice.
Yeah, it sure is.
And, you know, you have to be a multi-millionaire to live here to buy a house.
Yeah.
But it's quite nice. So how's the golf course? I've eaten one.
Lynn, can you see the lake, Lynn? Can you see the lake?
Have you ever seen the animal inside the
Linny's pants keep rolling up. She's just like, Mommy, can you help me again? It's because you're so tall now, Celine. And those big thighs. Wow, Melbourne. 3 years after, we're back. Sorry. Look at that, Lini.
Look at the little baby ducks. Are there ducks just one?
That's
That's just one?
One.
But what
Silver
about
swan.
ducks.
Oh, look how cute.
Look at that. Daddy, your light's on.
Hey, another one. Hello.
Look at this. Aw. Careful. Careful with the poo-poo. Lee, careful with the poo-poo, Paris. You too, Daddy. Lee. Yes. It's a poo-poo, see? Oh, is that poo-poo? No, I don't think it's a poo-poo. I think it's grass.
Like
Daddy,
hundreds
is it
of
like
them,
nostalgia?
and then they go running into the water.
Nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
What can't you see, Celine? Do you remember that? Darwin?
2, 3.
Whoa!
Good jump, Lane.
Whoa! Ooh, 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 ooh. Go! Good job. Well, sunset. The sun is setting now, Ling Ling. No horse baby Celine. She's gonna have water there. So peaceful. Ayan si ate tsaka ngayong lola, oh. Chicken pie. That's big. It's pretty big. Small one. Yeah, they don't have small, they only have medium. Like medium and large.
Start on there, please. Thank you.
It's 9:20 ng gabi, guys. At alam niyo ba, tingnan niyo, ang aking mga sakop ay talagang sinusulit ang kanilang holiday. Gabing-gabi na, oh my God, I'm so sleepy. At gusto pa talaga nilang, mostly yung mga kids talaga, kasi si baby Celine, gusto niya talaga, guys, itong pool. Ever since umalis kami ng Melbourne, yun talaga yung sinasabi niya na maligo siya sa heated pool. May gym sila dyan. Tapos very warm yung tubig ng kanilang pool. So, yun silang tatlo, tampisaw, mga syokoy o sarili na og syokoy. So maaga kami bukas kasi pupunta kami sa lola tsaka sa lolo ni Daddy Mike. So that's very exciting kasi it's been 2 years and a half na hindi nila nakita yung mga kids in person kasi nanonood na sila ng YouTube natin. But yeah, we haven't seen them for 2 years and a half since umalis kami dito. So matanda na sila nung umalis kami, how much more na 2 taon na yung nakalipas. So that's very exciting. Good job, Lenny. Bob, do you want me to turn on the thing? No? Itong mga batang to, parang hindi man kinapoy, oy. Diyos ko, Lord. Kanilang mama gusto nang matulog. Oh, Baba! Careful, Bob, because it's slippery, Bob! Itong batang talaga.
Ever! We're in Melbourne now, guys. I'm beginning coming to me, Daddy. We're here at the hotel, and I look wet because I went in the shower and the pool. Same as we have our pajamas on, our little pajamas. There's a leopard. So cute. Look at that.
Okay,
It's really so clever. I'm just gonna do my hair so I look like Karen. Now. Hi guys.
Tanggapin niyo sa sarili niya.
Hi guys. I'm here. And here. Now you turn the light.
Okay, na unsa sa lane eh, turn it off lang. Hindi kay ka kutusan lang eh.
Is this Daddy?
Where's Daddy? Ang ating Daddy ay pagkabalik namin dito sa kwarto ay nag-bihis.
Where's Daddy?
So, andun siya
Where's Daddy, Mom?
I think he's running in a treadmill, honey.
When he's going to
Ako ngayon lang ako naka, ng shoes ko.
I'm going to play with her.
Daddy's coming back soon. Right, bitch, Shelby. Here, you look more like you're alone, Anna.
Guys, it's 1 o'clock in the Guys, it's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, it's now 10:13 ng gabi. Ako ay bibihis na rin at maghilamos. Hindi, ano pa ako ang aking mukha. Hindi pa ako nakapagbihis since pagdating namin kanina. But we're going to end the vlog here now. Papahinga na rin kami after nito. We'll just do a quick shout out before natin i-end ang ating vlog, guys. Thank you so much for always watching our videos. Na-appreciate namin, guys, kasi andyan kayo palagi nanonood. So, maraming salamat.
Can I say some of the people?
The names?
Yeah.
Sure.
Tell me.
Minsan, hindi ko na sa shoutout lahat ng nagko-comment kasi minsan yung lumalabas lang ay user, tapos RN, blah, 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 blah. So, walang pangalan na nakalagay. So, yung mga nasa shoutout ko lamang is yung may mga pangalan na lumalabas sa YouTube. So, if ever gusto nyo magpa-shoutout, guys, tapos, ilagay nyo na lang yung pangalan nyo sa comment, ganyan, Joey, pa-shoutout, ganun, I'll be more than happy to do that. Alam nyo naman. Nakikita ko palaging nagko-comment kayo, and I really, really, really appreciate that, guys, from the bottom of my heart. But hindi ko kayo ma-shoutout kasi hindi nga nababasa yung pangalan. Can you read it?
No.
Let's see.
Just whisper it to me.
Delaney Prince.
Delaney Prince.
Yes, hello po.
Hello.
Yeah. Jamila Kawaja.
Tommy. Mom. You say that one. It's stuck again.
What happened?
It's stuck again.
Oh, got stuck again. The bow? What got stuck?
No. Not stuck.
It's dark again. Yeah, I know. Did you see on the mirror? On the mirror and the window. Shout out to Victoria Baptista, A Chic Life, Tita Trix, hello. Shout out to Yet Balino, Nora Tagala,
Mom, let me say the next one. Nan and Ma. Pa.
Magdalena
Go to the
Risoles.
pool. Macarena.
Magdalena Risoles.
Magdalena. Can I say?
Si Lini Langit.
Lini Langit.
Mercy narito. Anak, don't turn it off lang because we're doing Mercy narito. Hello, maayong gabi. Kali Sima, Rosel Flor, Maria Dona Noble, Irene Aliperio, and Jean Bagsi.